Welcome to the 2025 vacuum leaf collection season, a time when we help clean up leaves in your community. Starting November 1st, our crews will make 3 full rounds of leaf collection across 10 designated areas. To stay on track, each area is divided into labeled sections, A, B, C, and sometimes D. 2 leaf areas will be serviced simultaneously. We've made it easy for you to stay up to date. You can scan the QR code on these signs or visit our website for the latest information. You'll see the start and end dates for your area, along with the status of each collection. To ensure smooth pickup, rake or blow leaves to the curb no more than 4 feet from the edge of the street by your posted collection date. No bags needed. Be safe. Keep leaf piles clear of storm drains, fire hydrants, mailboxes, and parked vehicles. This helps us work more safely and efficiently. Speaking of safety, make sure no rocks, branches, soil, or other debris are in your leaf piles. They could hurt staff and damage our equipment. Looking for a sustainable alternative? Leaves are a natural fertilizer, and mulching them into your lawn or garden is an easy and eco-friendly way to return nutrients to the soil. Thanks for working with us to make this year's leaf collection a success.